Imagine sun shining, pink clouds in the sky, and everything is right. Imagine stars lighting up the night, and a shooting star so vibrant, you have to make a wish. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez. I hope you're all doing amazing. I'm doing so well. I didn't know it was gonna give Scary Spice 2.0. I didn't know it was gonna give me everything that I needed and then some. Guys, let's give a warm welcome back to today's beautiful hair sponsor, Ashimary Hair. Probably wondering, what do you have installed, Kez? What do you have installed? What I have installed is a 22-inch 360-degree reddish brown Invisi drawstring, pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-everything. I believe this is in the curly. As you can see, she's beautiful. Every shot you make, no, you've never heard of pain, because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday. Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 20. So let's just get into it. This is the wig. This is what she looks like. Beautiful. Because it does have the tapes, I'm gonna keep it glueless, so that's the plan. Okay, so the 360 wig, guys, is a ponytail wig, right? That's what I like to call it. So it has the little straps on both sides here, the Invisi drawstring, okay, that you can pull and secure the wig to make the back portion fit tighter and snug. You can wear her, what is it? Glueless. Yes, girl. See what she's saying. I like my hair to be as flat as possible, so I'm gonna tuck my hair underneath the band. Right away, I'm noticing it fits very well. Okay, adjust my strap. I'm gonna put it behind my ear. Are we happy with that amount of forehead? I think so. Okay, we're gonna remove our little tape. We got it, finally. Okay, position her. Nothing's ever in your way. Scoring every shot you make. No, you've never. Can you do this at home? It's very easy. Stick her down, and then I'm gonna repeat the same thing for the other side. Okay. Pressing her in. And that's it. That's literally how you install your wig. The next thing we want to do is pull the strap. So the little Invisi strap, pull her, and you should feel it like getting snug in the back. Once we're done that, you want to hide the strap. So you take it and you tuck it in, tuck that in all the way up in there. All right, so the first style we're gonna do is obviously a curly style. So I'm going to add a tiny bit of this Dove mousse. It's a level 2, so it's really not that strong. And then of course I'm gonna put it in an updo and show you guys what is giving, but I kind of want to see what it looks like in its like beautiful curls. And this reddish brown color is so pretty. We need some baby hairs right here, so that's what we're gonna do. And she's still glueless. I know it's not giving glueless, but girl, she is still glueless. This is looking so cute. I'm actually really loving the curl pattern on this wig. It's very much pretty, okay? when you're doing your baby hairs, you just have to take your time. A guide for that is if you cut it right above your eyebrow, that's generally a good amount of baby hairs.
Tell me, what can I do now? Ain't it always funny how soon as I let my guard down, here comes that familiar sound. When you start to get tongue-tied, and in my heart I feel you lie. Though I knew the whole damn time, why do I act so surprised? 'Cause our friends keep your secrets, and your family helped you do this. Since you don't think you should live differently, what's left for me when it all ends? You need some real ones on your side. The type to pull up, down to right. Keep it 100, tell you if you're wrong or right.
You can also wear her in a ponytail, which we will do, but I almost don't want to because she looks so good the way that it is. But yeah, you could pull her up in a little bun moment and, you know, be cute or whatever, but she looks so good like this. And I'm so glad that I got the 22" because this is the perfect length for this style. Thanks for putting this little pic because I needed one of these. I picked her out a little bit and I used my little mousse to style her. That's it. Cut a little layers in. And this is what we got. Oh my goodness. I did decide to add some baby hairs, okay, to the side. And I repeated that on the other side. And she's still glueless, y'all. She is still glueless, okay? Yeah, still glueless. I know you didn't think so. This wig is so cute, you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys need to run over there and get it. The density, okay? Like, she is giving full. This looks like it's my hair. Like, this is one of my best looks. I love it so much. 10 out of 10. And I know she's gonna be cute too in a little ponytail. So you can literally feel like you have the fluffiest, fullest hair because you can do everything that you can do with your natural hair with this wig. You can wear her parted. You can wear her middle part bust down. You can wear her in a half up, half down. You can wear her in a bun. You can wear her all the way slick back. This wig looks so cute like this. Like, I am here for it. If you don't want to take my word for it, check them out yourself. I'm gonna link this wig in the description box for you. So go ahead and grab you one, girl, because you won't regret it. And get the 22" because you can trim her and give her this little shape. And you saw me do it super easy. I just literally cut. That's it. Cut here, cut a little diagonal, and a little diagonal when you do your little side part. That's it. Oh my goodness, like, that looks so nice. Enjoy the little ponytail style that we're gonna do next.
Yeah, you need some real ones on your side. I can see through all the fake, but I give my all to those who take. It's disaster in the making, how easily we break. We're all diamonds in the rough, but no one's gonna call your bluff. You need someone you can trust to tell you when you messed up. Yeah. 'Cause our friends keep your secrets, and your family enables weakness. And I don't think you could live differently. What's left for me when it all ends? You needed some real ones on your side. The type to pull up, down to right. Yeah, keep it 100, tell you.
We We have the little ponytail. This is what the back is looking like. I like to pull my hairs right around here out, so it kind of just covers up anything that I don't want to be seen. And of course, yes, she's still glueless, y'all. Wow, amazing. You can get this look at home, super easy, and it's beginner friendly. We use the sticky tape to secure the wig. It comes already pre-stuck. You don't need to know anything else. You just adjust the little draw strength and that's it. You can have a little updo style just like that. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, leave me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll catch you guys later in another review sometime soon. Bye.